It's Friday. Every Friday, our members can call into the show, talk about what their shares they've had during the week, what their thoughts are, and what's going forward next week as well. This is an unusual one because we're getting ready for Jackson Hole, Jerome Powell in a few moments. So it's a very, very quick one. It's going early, so it's a little bit different than usual. But we are going to jump straight into our Friday phone-in, and we are very excited to welcome our members in. So let's go straight into it. If you want to be part of our Friday phone-in, click above my head and find all the links, become a member of our channel, and you too can call in. So let's get straight into the Friday phone-in, and we have live on the phone, we have Zakzay, originally from Israel, but now in the United States of America, in California. How are you, mate?
Happy Friday, very good, very good. Friday, cheers.
Hey, get your mug up, get your mug up. There you go, there you go. I tell you what, let's do a thumbnail. Let's do a thumbnail. So you put your mug up like that. Hang on, I'll put mine down there, and that's about right. I'll put mine this way round instead. There you go. Look into the camera, big smile. Brilliant. We'll have that later. Fantastic. Thank you for that. Zakzay, it's only a very, very short interview today because we got Jackson Hole in a minute. What do you think we're going to get from Jerome Powell? Anything new? What do you reckon?
I believe we're going to raise again a quarter, 0.25, because you want to get the 3% eventually.
Oh, I hope not. I'm really hoping against that. We're going to get that, but you're probably right. It might happen. I'm hoping for a pause. That's what our Virgin Galactic needs. How do you feel? I know you're a big Virgin Galactic investor. What's your thoughts this week? Are you worried? Are you a bit concerned? It keeps going down. You keep buying the dips. What's your thoughts? Mate?
Worries, no worries.
I love it.
I don't know if it's already DIP or RIP, but I did bought the dip this week, and I'm keep following because plans goes as well. We got the flight coming, we got the news, everything goes as planned, and even we short the month in 3 days. If the last flight was the 10, this flight is on the 7, so the month is a little bit shorter.
And that's good news. That's good news because that means the system's working. We're hitting the targets. We're increasing, and that sends a good message as well because we're not delaying. In fact, we're going early, and that might encourage. Hey, maybe in a few months we might get 2 flights a month, and then of course we can start making some money, right? So what are you looking for next week in the markets? Then you're still buying Virgin Galactic. We got the flights coming up. What are you looking for next week?
I love the earning this week of NVIDIA, talking about the third generation of computer that drive you, computer that cook you, computer that takes control over the new system, which is all those big rooms become to quantum. All the computer is a next generation. So what we think we got used to going to be changed. Yeah. I took a ride in San Francisco. No driver. Who's driving the car? And it goes, and it's beautifully.
Yeah. It's going to be great. One of the things I'm excited about is buying a Tesla, not for myself to drive around, but as an investment to be on the robo-taxi fleet. So my car can sit in my garage there if I need it, but I don't intend on using it, having it out every day, driving around as people request my car to go and pick them up and take them to wherever they want to go. And that can earn me money. I see that as a great investment. What do you think about that?
People with solar panels supply electric to the neighborhood and make money. That's the future.
Yeah. It's great, isn't it? Hey, Zakzay, thank you ever so much for calling in. We're going to get ready now for Jerome Powell. Join us for that. And it's just you today because everybody was expecting to be here at 9 and we had to bring it earlier today. So, it changed the format, but we had no choice because we need to listen into what Jerome Powell has to say. Thank you for being on again with me this week. Please join us again next week. Before I let you go, is there any message you'd like to give to the world?
I'll give the message for love, family, and keep it together. It's there is a lot of H8 in the world. Take it in proportion. Listen, be kind, and just act like Martyn Lucas.
Zach Zake, thanks for calling in. See you later on in the show. Thank you very much.
Appreciate the opportunity.
You're very welcome. There's our good friend there, Zach Zake, joined us again for another Friday phone-in. Join us next Friday. Click above my head if you want to see the link to the playlist. Over here on the right-hand side, you will see our other videos in the series of our Friday phone-in. Learn from investors who buy into the stocks so you can see what their sentiment is. Today was a bit different. It was shorter, and we only had one guest because nobody was able to be here early because of Jerome Powell speaking. So we're going to go over to that now. So fantastic. Let's get ready. As always, join us for a live phone in and join us every day. Until next time, as always, take care of yourselves and each other.